Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today I want to do a giveaway and I'm going to also do an entry in my Faith journal. Now the giveaway I'd like to do is, it's going to be both for international and South African viewers or subscribers rather. So what I'm going to give is, I'm going to give for my South African viewers, I'm going to give this journal, which we've made the first sort of in beginning when I released this journal, we made this Faith journal together. And I had my own one, so I don't know if you remember, I'll link the video up here if you haven't seen it. I made this little sort of pocket with all the ephemera in there, and I made all the signatures. And then at the back, I put all the ephemera in, the flowers and everything I've put in here. And then the prompt numbers and the smaller ephemera I put in here. And then I made a little pocket there at the bottom here, so that can be tucked in here. So this is what I would like to give to my South African subscribers. Like this whole journal, I will post it for you. I'll pack it very securely and I'll post it to you wherever in South Africa. And I'd love to give it to you. What I will also do is I will print out another sheet of all the printables and I will also cut it up and provide it so you can have extra. Obviously, when you work in this Faith journal, that you will have enough ephemera to complete this whole Faith journal. So this is what I'd like to give to my South African subscribers. My international subscribers, I will send you this whole bundle free of charge. If you are the winner, so there's going to be a South African winner and the international winner. So unfortunately for the international one, you'll just have to print it and make it yourself. If you want to know how I did this, obviously what's a tutorial, which as I said, I linked here previously. So this is what I would like to offer you. Just a little bit giveaway. Unfortunately, I can't really do more than that. I'd love to send this made already everywhere in the world, but it's not going to work. So yeah, this is what I would like to provide for you. So the only thing you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel. You need to like this video. I'm going to ask you at the end of the video, I'm going to ask you a question. So if you watch my video, you will know the answer. So at the end of the video, after you watch it, you just pop the answer in the description box. So yeah, so what we're going to do is I'm going to do a prompt now in this, or in my own Faith journal. I think it's going to be a very nice prompt. I'm really looking forward to do that. So keep watching, answer the question, and yeah, enter this giveaway. It's going to be open for a week. So next Friday, I will announce the winner. Okay, first of all, I'm going to decide what prompt I'm going to do. And I've just marked up prompt number 1 and prompt number 6 because that's what I've done previously. And today I'm going to do prompt number 13, make a collage of your favorite season using elements from magazines or printables. Look for a verse in the Bible that represents the season and include it in your page. So this is where I'm going to do it on this page. I thought the music notes and so the yellow journaling paper there poking out at the back will work well. And I've just got my prompt number 13 ready because this is the prompt we're going to do. And this is the small little envelope which I keep all my prompts in. Now, my favorite season is autumn, and I'm sure I can speak for many people. I think autumn is a very, very favorite season. Now, it's not autumn at the moment in South Africa. It's winter. It's becoming summer, but I just like autumn for the reason I'll tell you in a minute. I just want to show you these magazines. It's a British magazines, Country and Home Interiors. I used to always buy that, not anymore. But they've got obviously these beautiful houses, and I love the way they style things. And I sort of dig into my magazines, and I've got all my October and September and November magazines out, which is obviously autumn in the northern hemisphere. At the moment it's winter here, and we have going into our spring obviously in a month or so. So I'm just showing you all the pictures of autumn. That fireplace I definitely want to use because that's the time when we start putting our fireplace on. And then I want to cut out some words like autumn phrases and things. I had so much fun doing this prompt. It was really so much fun. I really recommend you to do this. Yeah, make a beautiful, almost a mood board. And obviously look at all these beautiful trees and things like that. And that word love also I thought would look very nice. So the reason why I like autumn specifically here in Cape Town is it is still nice and warm and pleasant, but it's not too warm. And also the wind stopped blowing in the autumn. It's very windy in the summer here in South Africa, or Cape Town rather. So in the autumn, you just get these beautiful, sunny, pleasant, hot days without being too hot. And the wind is sort of calming. So it's a best time to visit South Africa. I would definitely recommend that. And the evenings is cooler. You don't get this hot, sticky evenings, which you get sometimes in the summer. And also there's quite a lot of bank holidays during that time here in South Africa. So it's nice. There's lots of sort of long weekends which we can go camping and things like that. So what I decided this blue bag, which is part of my signature, which I probably could have just taken out and put it somewhere else, but I thought, no, I'm just going to give myself a challenge. I've decided I'm going to cover that with sort of my old dictionary, vintage dictionary, just to give this sort of autumn colors, and love the gratitude documenting from Illustrated Faith, and I always do a thankful 30 also. I love the autumn colors and all the autumn printables that is available. So these dictionaries and yellow pages, whatever, it just lends itself to sort of this oldie worldy autumn feeling. Then I decided to the other side, I'm just going to put a hymnal, or a music sheet rather, just on top of that, just to cover that also, because it's more or less the same yellow and as the dictionary page, and as the other hymnal. So I decided to do that, and I've just cut the excess of that hymnal off, or the music sheet. So what I've decided, that dictionary page looked to me a little bit sort of harsh, the lines and things like that. I just wanted to tone it down a little bit, and also sort of almost make it more flat and stick on top of each other. So I just diluted some acrylic white paint, and I've just put it on top of there just to make it a little bit softer when I put my collage on top of there. And now all the fun bits is going to start. I've decided to put this big mood board, which is in the magazine, just on top of there. And I love, as I said, these magazines, they create this beautiful lifestyle for you, and you just think, who is actually living like that? Who is living in these beautiful houses, and the table is beautiful, decorated, and everything is just perfect. Obviously, it's most of it is staged and things like that. Or if you probably have a magazine or coming to your home, that everything will be absolutely perfect. I know we don't really live like that, but it's just nice to dream and just think about all these beautiful homes. So I've decided to use some of that strips of the dictionary paper and just put it on top of there. That yellow color is so beautiful of those strips, and I've decided to use my little block stamps, and it says Love Autumn. So now I'm deciding I'm going to make a collage of all the sort of leaves, autumn leaves. It actually just worked out like that. I didn't really decide to do it like that. So the one page is more sort of a collage board, which I put the autumn colors on the left hand side, and Love Autumn. And then now on the right hand side, as I said, I'm going to put this collage of trees, and there's a little, I think it's a hedgehog. It's the cutest little hedgehog. And then I love this, sort of all the beautiful leaves. We do get definitely the colors change here in Cape Town, but obviously I don't think as vivid as at some places, maybe then Canada or New England in America, or certain parts of England. Definitely do, but I won't say Cape Town is known for that. Then I decided there's an opening space there, and I thought I'm just going to make a sort of a swatch of autumn colors, and I'm just getting my water soluble crayons out, and I've just decided to use all my autumn colors and just make a swatch there, and I love how that turned out. I'm so glad I did that. It's just a nice way of remembering beautiful all the autumn colors. So those two pages is done. So I'm just moving over to that side, and I thought I'm going to sort of create more a homely atmosphere there with fireplace and that beautiful blanket, Scottish sort of tartan blanket, and I've put there the comfort of autumn herbs in there, and then I put the word cozy there at the top, and I love that color swatches there at the top also. And then I decided I'm going to put the word gesellig, which is the Afrikaans word, which is my first language, for cozy. So I just thought I'm just going to put that also in there, just because, Afrikaans is my first language, so everything is always in English. And after this, I'm going to write down the reasons why I like autumn, and that's basically exactly what I told you. And I've just also remembered to put 2 verses that reminds me of autumn, or that just is in the Bible about autumn, and it's Isaiah 40 verse 8 and Matthew 9 verse 37 to 38. So just a reminder what you need to do to enter this giveaway. First of all, like my video, subscribe, and tell me what the word gesellig means. So I'd like you to give me the English version of what gesellig means. And also, if you are international, just put maybe an I next to your name. And if you're from South Africa, just put a SA next to your name. So when I do the draw, I will know that. But I will link all the details down here below. So good luck to each one who's entering, and yeah, thank you very much for entering in advance. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to follow all the instructions if you want to enter, and you must have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you next week, and this competition ends next Friday, just as a reminder. Lots of love. Bye-bye.